Good afternoon, everyone. It's afternoon now at the time that we are starting, and today is an at-home day. We are spending a lot of time at home right now. I'll tell you all later, I promise, but I want to get through like what's going on before I tell you all what all is going on, just for privacy of other people involved. So, I mean, it's nothing bad. It's nothing super bad. Y'all will probably be super happy for us. I think most of you who are like asking usually are really super happy for us whenever we have really cool stuff going on in our life. And it's one of those happy things, but like I can't tell you yet. So, but today I have laundry in my room, I have some bathroom cleaning to do, and the kids have tests today. So right now, while we're at home pre-Thanksgiving, we're trying to finish up some like units and chapters and things and trying to get stuff done, and just, it's an at-home day. It's, well, partially at-home day, and we're getting a late start because we're gonna be up super late tonight. Because again, we're not actually staying home all day. We'll be going out later, and we'll be gone for several hours. So I need to get some stuff done while I'm at home. So like, it's kind of one of the reasons why I love doing the at-home videos as well, is to let you know like, how do we handle things when we're at home? Well, when we're at home, I try to focus as much as I can on doing the at-home things so that we have more time while we're away to do the not at-home things. Because like, while we can travel with our school, it's easier to give tests at home and quizzes at home than it is while we're away. Quizzes are a little different, but tests, because like there's more anxiety with the tests than there are the quizzes. The quizzes they can retake, the tests they can't. So like, I could let them retake the tests, I just don't really feel like they learn as much if I let them. The quizzes I do, because they also use the quizzes to study for the test. So I do let them retake quizzes, but as long as they pass the test, we don't do retakes. So like, I guess there's more anxiety because of that, and it's not like us pressuring them, it's just that's how it is. It is what it is. So my goal for today, while we're at home for, I literally have 3 hours. What? I just scratched my face. I have 3 hours to, we were just talking to ASL class last night. When you're signing, don't hurt yourself. And I just like, my hand was back here and I went to sign 3 and scratched my face. That was so weird. I'm leaving that in because anyways, so we have 3 hours to get as much done as we can before leaving the house for several hours tonight. So I'm just gonna finish up some cleaning, and I'm gonna do some laundry, and we're gonna work on tests and quizzes. I don't show you when they're doing tests and quizzes because that would just increase the anxiety, and I don't wanna put my kids out there like use their negative emotions and their fear, their scaredness, their anxiety, their anger when they're mad. You know, I don't wanna put all that out there and make money off my kids not being happy. That's just not, that I don't want to be that kind of parent. So I don't show them when they're doing the quizzes and tests. A lot of the time when they're at home during school, they don't want to be on camera. Sometimes they agree to when we're doing like either sponsor videos for Night Zookeeper, or whenever we're doing like a day in the life thing, and they're okay with that. But I also try not to show them while they're doing tests either. It's a quiz and test day. It very much is. So they're gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be cleaning, and right now they're all studying, and so while they're studying, I leave them be. I let them do what they want, and they write down notes to show me what they studied so I can see that they did study, and then I sit in there with them. Sometimes I fold laundry while they're taking quizzes and tests, and sometimes I will just be like, just in there watching them, but not like right in their face watching them, because that gives them more anxiety too. But while they're studying right now, I'm gonna pick up laundry in my room and my bathroom and get laundry changed over really quick. mention again how much I love that we have switched to using laundry bags for our socks, because I lose so much less socks now. I keep our basket up here, lint basket, sock basket. Having a lint basket also super helps, and it's right here above the dryer. There actually wasn't anything. Was there anything in the washer? Did I just load the washer? Yes, there is a load in the dryer. So there's a load in here, but I need to get that started. So there is a basket right here. Keep it for my lint directly above my dryer. That way I'm not back and forth. And I don't really have room in here, small room, to have a big trash can. So I keep one there beside it on sock basket. Used to, this thing will be crammed full of socks every week. Now it's about half full of socks because we switched to using those bags. The other thing that I like is like tights, certain dimensionable items and things can go in these, and they're less likely to get lost. I use this one for something that I wash that's a small piece, and it has to be hung dry, so I can put it in here now. It'll be in our affiliates link below. Love these. We've had these for over a year now. It has a Velcro piece right here that protects the zipper and keeps the zipper from getting caught on stuff. Had them for over a year now. None of them have broke, and we have lost so much less socks in the laundry now. Also, another fun fact is we usually have the kids now just put their socks on top of the washer. That's where you saw me like reaching over towards the camera, because the camera was, or the dryer. The camera was on the dryer, and I had socks like behind it, so that's why I was kind of reaching behind it, because the kids now will put their socks, especially like those PEDs, like the no-show dress socks that go on with slip-on shoes. Now they go here, and now those are definitely getting lost a whole lot less, and I can keep them right here. After the kids aced some quizzes and some tests, now I can tackle this bathroom. finish. Cut this off for a second. Except, has anybody else been having this problem here lately? I don't know if you can see him on camera. Every time we have bought something new glass cleaner, we've tried different brands and types and things. They work for the first couple times, then after that, they're leaving massive smears on here. I can't figure out what's going on. So we're just gonna leave it for now, and I'm gonna have to get to it another day because this was a rush job. Because now it's 3 o'clock and we have to start dinner because we're gonna be gone. Our schedule's a little weird tonight, but that's okay. So bathroom stuff is gonna stay out here. Did not even get to making my bed, but again, that's okay. It's just gonna stay for another day. But now, let's make dinner. Filming this is still in the middle of the process of, we have to empty this entire freezer and the refrigerator out to defrost it this weekend. So, we had these left over in our emergency pantry. They're like little hash brown patties. What we're gonna do is take them over here. Can't have both these plugged at the same time. Are you okay? She's cleaning the bathroom. And will you close that door for me? We're gonna unplug the microwave, plug this up, and we're gonna put them in here. I'm just gonna run them a couple batches at a time on the grill surface of the Ninja Foodie grill. And it has an air fryer setting. So I'm gonna air fry them on, sorry, it's okay, on 400 for about 5 minutes. Test it, see if that works or not, because the only bad part about not keeping the box that it originally came in, because I couldn't put it in the freezer, it would all this be freezer burnt. I have no idea, so I'm gonna try it at 400 for 5 minutes. I may do 3 minutes on preheated. See how it goes. 5 minutes was perfect time for that. So I'm gonna take those out, put all but 3 back in here. Go ahead and get mine and the girls going because Matt's eating after us, and I want his to be fresh when he gets home. So we're done with dinner and we're heading out the door. But this time I can't take y'all with me, so I'm gonna leave you here. That is it for this video though. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.